our 3 compartment sink. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 120 inches, a depth of 30 inches, and a height of 43 inches. 43 inches is with the splash. Minus the splash, we have 36 inches tall. Left and right drain boards. Each drain board measuring 22.5 inches in length by 26 inches in depth. Coming to the center are your 3 tubs, each tub measuring 24 inches in length, 24 inches in depth, by 11.5 inches in height. Included for each tub are your drain baskets. And coming to the top is your left and right faucet. Each faucet, the swivel head, will measure 14 inches. And a distance for each mount will measure 9 inches. And located on the left corner is the NSF certification sticker. Please note that the white film covering the sink can be peeled off. That's protecting the stainless steel. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.